guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xomerlissa. If you're new here, today we are unboxing this month of December, the Ipsy box. So this is what I received in the mail today. This is gifted by Ipsy, so I'm really excited to jump right in and see what we got for this month. On a quick note, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can continue making more Ipsy unboxings. So we're gonna just start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. It is very holly jolly themed, super cute. It has like a little jingle bell here. And on the back it is pink and engraved in the gold right here is Ipsy. Very glittery. The glitter doesn't come off super easy, so that's really nice because that would be a huge pet peeve for me. So we did have a little makeup blending brush in here, I believe because I can't quite fit it in the little bag here. So that's our first item. We have a little blending brush here, and it says Dome Blending by Shania B. Miami. And before I forget, this month of December, their theme is You're the Main Attraction. So this is just like their little pamphlet, cute little pamphlet here that they have like little tips and tricks and things like that that they always include in your Ipsy bag. Also, I'm fighting with the sunlight. The sun keeps coming out super bright and then we get very cloudiness. So if my lighting is a little off, that is why. I'm always working with natural light. I should probably figure out another way with some light boxes or something. So if you guys have any recommendations, please list them below. Now, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the next product here. All right, so moving on, we have the Dr. Brandt Dermatology. This is his microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator in a little mini. Then we have this Ahava Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask. This is a firming mask, so maybe not the best kind of mask for the winter for my skin, because my skin gets very dry and I want all the moisturization. Like, I want anything I can to keep my skin very moisturized and smooth and not dry. Up next we have, it looks like an eyeliner, Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner. Okay, this is in the shade Sweet Caramel. And we have our last product here. This is What's Up Beauty. I've never heard of them. And it looks, oh, it's a little compact eyeshadow shade. So far, not my favorite Ipsy bag, but we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Boxy Charm. So we have this little ad. This is really cute. It's like a little mini newspaper. December 2023, Ipsy.com. You're the main attraction. This is really cute. It was the power picks of December here. And then it shows different dates for different drops. Yeah, this is really cool. It also on the back has the member perks. So you build your box, you have power picks, personalized products, and epic deals. And more ways to level up your membership is the icon box upgrade. Then you have members only savings on refreshments. I love their refreshments. Then they have special access to Ipsy exclusive beauty bundles like their quarterly edit. And then they have get first dibs on a splurge-worthy bonus product every month with Beauty Boost. So some other really great ways to up your Ipsy. Now this is really exciting. I feel like this is gonna be a nice little boxy charm here. We have this Dermalect Flawless Bok Choil treatment. I really like bok choil when I'm having breakouts and acne-prone skin. Really good stuff. I haven't tried this product in particular, but when I have a breakout, I know where to go. Next we have, look at this. This is so cute. They sent over some pink fuzzy socks. These are so cute for the holidays and they're so soft. I love this material. I could literally wear these kinds of socks all day long when it's cold out, but really cute. Now they're gonna win me over. We also have REM Beauty. I have been wanting to try REM products since they came out, so I'm really excited for this. This is the baby doll palette, and it's a really unique packaging here. So these are some beautiful neutral shades. I'm really excited to dive into this because I've only heard good things about REM Beauty. Now we have this Ciate London Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. So I was just organizing my makeup and I noticed I have a ton of primer and I've been trying a different one every single day. The first one I actually threw out. It was really sticky on my skin and I hate that feeling. But that was not from this brand. So I'm gonna try this one out and that's exciting. Honestly, for me, it's really hard to compete with Smashbox because Smashbox already won me over. I'm so obsessed with all of their primers that I've tried, so just trying to see how other primers are feeling, and so far none have won me over, so we'll see with that one. Next we have a little lippy scrub from Lucky Chick. It's in a little like container tube here. It's an exfoliating lip treatment. Oh, it smells so delicious. It's kind of like, I don't know if this sounds funny, but it's kind of like a sugar cookie, gingerbread cookie mix. It smells so good, and I love a good exfoliating lip scrub, especially for the winter. All right, now we have their final treat by TYS Beauty. This is a hyaluronic acid infused setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out right now because why not? My makeup is on and it's already like almost the evening for my day. So I usually shake it up a little bit and I always spray away from me first. All right, let's see. So the spray itself, it kind of like is too much. I like a very misty spray, if you guys know what I mean. But overall, we'll have to see how this lasts because it smells kind of, it reminds me of one that I've used previously, like one of my Youth to the People sprays. Yeah, it reminds me of the Youth to the People spray that I use, but it is hyaluronic acid infused, so I'll have to see how I like this besides the sprayer itself. All right, my friends, we have one more item in this. Oops. And I believe this is the bag for Boxycharm. This is a little baggie here. It says Ipsy Creator, Ipsy Creator Incubator, and it says it's made of recycled water bottles. So that's really cool. I like the colors. It totally matches their boxes. Very on brand. Very pretty and pastel and really cute. I don't know if I would use this too often, especially in the winter. But it is a really, really cute bag. And that is it for this December's Ipsy box. Let me know if you guys enjoyed my unboxing and if you've received your Ipsy box yet and what you guys got in yours. I know we all get different things. Sometimes we get some of the same things, but let me know what your favorite product is this month and I can't wait to see you guys next month. Bye, happy holidays.